Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. Alright, today we're going to do the June Ipsy Beauty Glam Bag review and let's see what we got this time. If you want to learn tip and trick how to stay looking younger, I'm the guy. I have over 30 years experience working in the cosmetic industry. I also have my own skincare company called Yibu Beauty, so check it out. And definitely follow my YouTube channel here and my Instagram. And let's open this one. So Etsy has a 3 different type of mystery beauty box or beauty pack. This is the smallest one. They have a box and also one's called Icon. Icon is more expensive. I didn't order that. And in fact, I just canceled this one. This will be the last one I receive, but I kept the Etsy box. So the Etsy box should be here anytime soon. The reason why I canceled this one is because they are mostly a sample item in the cosmetic pouch, and I really like full size because a lot of time I review, I don't even touch the product and I use it as a giveaway. Let me know if you want me to continue review the small sample or travel sizes. So they also give me the 2 sheet mask. Alright, this one is the Jasmine Bubble Tea Sheet Mask, and this one is Berries Bubble Sheet Mask. And I'll definitely give it a try. And by the way, anytime I review any beauty product, at this time it's just more like an impression, how you feel, how you smell on my skin. And if you want to see full demo, definitely check out my Instagram, Mr. Jun All-in-One. Alright, so there's a little pouch right here. It's a very summery color. It's really nice. Immediately, they give you this little information right here. It tells you the theme for this month. It is all about summer. Summer days ahead. This month, we are delivering everything you need for sun-kissed glow all summer long. So all the items here should relate to summer. Let's open this up. There are 4 items in here. Let's see what they are. The first item, it's called Yansen Girl Lactic, and there's Innisfree benefit. Alright, so let's take a look the Innisfree first. This is the Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Okay, I love Innisfree. It's a Korean brand. I do use their sunblock every single day, so. Whoa, what's in here? Do you guys see that? There's a little gold leaf in there. That's nice. Let's feel the consistency. It feels very lightweight, not sticky. It does give you a little slippery texture feel. And so texture like this should be absorbed into the skin pretty quickly. Oops. And there's no smell in there. Well, at least I cannot smell that. All right, the next product is by Gelactic. And this is the Fruit Face Scrub. And let me show you this. The colored, oh, Jesus, it's a very bright pink, like almost like a dragon fruit colored. And then you can see the scrub is actually pretty thick. So I would say be careful if you have a very sensitive skin or dry skin. You want to be careful with this because it may scrub too much off the skin. This Gelactic facial scrub, I will be a little bit more careful because even on my hands, it's a very, very strong because they are not using the chemical physical beads to exfoliate. I think they're using something natural fruit. I'm not really sure, but you can see it that there's irregular beads in there. Anytime you have something like that, it could cut your skin, so you have to be very careful. I think for body, it's fantastic, but I don't know why they put this on the face. Maybe they target for very young clients, so it's okay for their skin. But for somebody old like me, 50 years old, this could be too strong. All right, let's look at the next item. All right, the next item is by Yensa. This is the Super Serum Silk Foundation, Vitamin C and Vitamin E. And yeah, let's give it a try. I went on their website. They do have about 16 colors to choose from, so that's nice. Let's take a look. It's a foundation, okay? Just remember that. Oh, not bad. Well, let me smell this real quick. Hold on. It does has a really interesting smell, but I hope that will go away soon. It goes on very lightweight. So far, it's kind of sitting on my skin a little bit. I don't know, it's because I just exfoliate and not adding moisturizer or what, but this is something I had to give a try and let you know. Because typically, when you say you are serum foundations, so it should be more skincare than makeup. But in this case, it's definitely more makeup. And it's not too bad. You can see when I blend it, the line is barely there. Here you can see a little bit. Well, we just had to try this on my face one of this day and see how this works. All right, the last item is by Benefit. And let's open this. I believe this is the lip color. Haha, so tiny. Okay, it is a lip color. Oh. I don't wear lipstick, but that's the color. And most interesting and exciting about the Innisfree, the face serum. Not so much about the color and the foundation and the facial scrub because this thing can be very strong, but I can't wait to try this. If you want to see my review on this, definitely check out my Instagram. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.